All right, with this WASH 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi. Hope you guys are having a good Monday evening. You made it through the first day of work. Now everybody is going to be dealing with the heat and increasing rainfall chances as we go through the rest of the work week on into the weekend as the front kind of stalls out on top of us here. So that's another thing that we're going to be watching for you and everybody else here as we get you ready for the upcoming work weekend. For those of you already making those weekend plans. All right, let's take a look now at who's popping on in. As you can see here, we have a chance to kind of flip this on over. Let's show you the temperatures outside today. Look who made it in. Rick Tage, Janet Hale. You guys are rock stars. You guys have a good weekend, by the way. Janet, Rick, what'd you guys get into? Did you guys stay out of trouble? Rick, I got to keep an eye on you. I mean, that's just the way it is. Rick, I got to tease you, man. You know that. So there it is. 90. Rick is in the house. Yes, he is. 96 in Orlando. 93 in Claremont. Darlene Marie has popped in. Dar, good to have you, my friend. Always appreciate you popping in. Happy Monday to you. How did your Monday go, by the way, Darlene? And how did you survive with the heat? Great weekend. Haggerty. Rick should have known. Kathy, Joe, Santiago. Jojo, good to have you in the house. Terry Theros, Lindsay, popping on in. That's not the only heat graphic I got. I want to show you a couple of these numbers here. Sorry about that big yawn there. I just had a big plate of pasta. Anyway, today, check it out. Here we go. 96 versus 100. Brian Keller, good to have you. Sanford, 96 versus 97. Degrees shy of tying the record high there. Degrees shy of tying the record in Daytona Beach. And Melbourne did tie its record high of 96 going back to 1993. Jill Singh is in the house. Jillster, the Jillinator, the Jillatola, the Jillimeister. All right. Not a number that many of us like, but today, by the way, was the 100th day, Jill, in 2024 that we've hit 90 or better. Terrible, too much. I know, Darlene. Tell me about it. I'm with you. I hear you. I get it. You're right. Now, check this out. Almost half of those 100 90-plus degree days were 95 or hotter. That's cray-cray. Ann Lacani, Jill Singh, Aaron Craycraft, good to have you there. Rocky Malone is in the house as well. I'm doing well. Hope you are as well, my friend. Healing. Nancy Cruz Garcia, good to have you there. So that's a look at the heat. That was one of the big stories. Now, here we are. It's 8 o'clock in the evening, right? 8 o'clock, just saying. Here we go. And look at that. Boom. Look at that temperature. Still 89 degrees here in Orlando. 90 New Smyrna Beach. So plenty hot. And when you have that kind of heat, something's got to give there. Nancy Cruz Garcia. You can see there was an old boundary right up in here. So you can see the showers and storms developing. Joseph, you have Tango. Ooh, Brian, there will be a little bit of rain. We'll break that down here for you in a second. Aaron Craycraft, let's find out the next time Jimmy's in Orlando. David Rudzik, good to have you there, my friend. Candy Fry. Spoke to Jimmy over the weekend, by the way. He seemed to be doing pretty good out there in Vegas. Satellite radar. You can see the storms up north. Local radar. There's a Tampa Bay. Couple showers and storms there. West of Denellen. Fran J. Hayes, good to have you there, Franny. Franny Meister. Miss Elsa. A few showers there. Chiefland and Cedar Key. Little pop-up shower there near Titusville. And a couple showers down south, but no big deal. Winds right now. For the most part, pretty light, 5 to 10. Not too bad. But the rip current risk, by the way, Robert DeBrucky, I think it's 2 zip Mets last I saw. Trina Connors on a J.D. Martinez 2-run homer in the second. Maria Sophia, Nancy Cruz, good to have you guys. So again, high rip current risk through tomorrow morning. Could be extended. Hello from Daytona, says Lynn Comstack. Lynn, Daytona is currently 87. The land is 89. But more importantly now, when we look at the dew points, look at that. Ugh. Low and mid 70s. Linda Maloney, back surgery. Linda, well, you heal quick, girl. Nancy Cruz, Robert DeBrucki. Chris is from Bushnell. Chris Evans. Chris is from, there we go. Good to have you at Bushnell. What side? East, west, north, or south, Chris? Linda, we got you, girl. Gary Hicks, the Hickster, the Hickinator, the Hiccup. He's in the house. There we go. Linda Crook, the Crookster, the Crookinator. All right, so this evening, I see a few showers around. Maybe a few showers in the morning. Out west. There you go. Oh, thank God. Yes, Robert DeRucky, well said. Yeah. Yeah. Day to day it is, not long term. So, all right, Super Moon tonight. There we go. Robert still 2-zip. Good evening, Jerry Roach. Super Blue Moon. Partly cloudy 88. Clear skies 80. Moon set at 6:37 tomorrow morning. 64 for Ron. Wow. Yeah. Light breeze, says Peter Curtis. Good evening. There we go, Brenda. Appreciate your update. Love that. Now, Super Blue Moon, although not tonight, is the second full moon in 1 month. This is not the second full moon. This is the standard definition. Peak illumination will be at 2:26 p.m. Super moons appear 30% larger, brighter, and 14% larger than full moons because of the sun being closer to us and the moon being closer to us. The tilt. It's all about the tilt. 2-0. Thank you, sir. I think we were right about FutureCast being over. Yes, Joseph. Thank you. We have another launch tomorrow. By the way, there is another launch. Another batch of Starlink satellites going up. Mary D. Garcia. Hola, señorita. ¿Cómo está? 5:20. A 4-hour window, by the way. Sam and Evie. Elizabeth Hart. There we go. Cumulus and thick cloud rules are in play here for this one. 80% go. 80% go. Wind shears low, booster recovery low. Let's take a look at the surface short range. Sam and Evie, good to have you. Matthew Ross. Matty out there in Vegas. Matthew, what's cooking, big dog? Sandy Barnett's in the house. Hello, Miss Orman. Rose Marie Waldy. Good to have you in the house. Beverly Sorrells. I know, Jules, right? Sorry, girl. Maria Vasquez. In Puerto Rico. Maria, did you guys get your power back yet, by the way, down there? We're praying for you guys, just so you know. Karen Emtage. Tony the Toninator. Karen, Beamer has been driving me crazy the last 30 minutes, says Elizabeth. That's her cat. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Hold on a second. All right, so we have tonight through tomorrow. There's your front. Dropping south. 108, Matthew Ross. We will do the national perspective here in a second, and we will cover Vegas. Showers and storms tomorrow, going from west to east. Morning, afternoon. So there you go. Bada bing. Do I need water in the villages tonight? No, I think you'll get some tomorrow. So hold off, Carol. Candy Fry. This week does look wet too, Carol. I think I've been like 3 months. Sandy Brentwell, we are glad you are back tonight and hopefully feeling a lot better. Miriam. Danella may get a few showers, but I think better rain chances will arrive the next couple of days. Look, there's Danella. Few showers tonight, few showers in the morning. Trying to work back towards I-4, 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon. Kathleen M. Johnson, good to have you there. Carol Ann Gidney Kilbourne. You're welcome, Sandy. There's Tuesday evening, another round of some showers and some storms. Miriam. Trujillo Vientos, good to have you there. There's the rain. Heavier west, lighter east. But good coverage. Good coverage. Chris Pierce. Good evening to you, sir. Linda Crook. Well, thank you for that update, Linda. We do appreciate the dog update. Hope you picked it up, by the way. 90 to 95, like a good neighbor. Linda Crook picked it up. All right, let's see here. Well, we missed you very, very much too, Sandy, just so you know. We got a good group here. Gordon Mooneyhan, Maria Baldridge, Roger Ramlicom. The whole gang is in the house. 90 to 95. Feels like temperatures. Yeah, you're not going to like these numbers. Let's do this. There's noon, right around 100 to 105. 2, 100 to 105. 4, 100 to 105. Then cooling down with those late day showers and storms. Ernie Richardson, cool in southern Kentucky. Gloria Bird. Victoria Thompson. Sharing is caring. You remembered my motto too. I am proud of you, girl. All right. Do this, the muggy meter. Humid. Oh, by the way, some green M&Ms. I don't know if it's 10 miles. It's close. But I wouldn't try doing that with global warming. Chris, are we going to talk about that? Karina, good. Sorry, I'm talking in a mouthful. All right. We have some comedians in here for sure. I love it. Tracy, good to have you. All right. 5-day for Orlando. Triple digit Tuesday. M&M break. You got it, Jules. Tammy from Jacksonville. No, this is just a snack. Need a little bit of sugar so I wouldn't yawn too much on you. Thank you, Shandy. You're not so bad yourself. All right. Here's Ocala. 105, then right around 100 the rest of the week. Tracy, you're killing me. I like your humor. Victoria J. Thompson. Oh, Biggie, nice. Here, hang out. Diane wants one. Here you go, Diane. Grab it. Got it? Chew it. Let me help you. Barry Johnson. John Blackman. All right, so a few showers and storms there. I better save a few for the hounds. There we go. All right. Long Beach forecast. What is this? Wind southwest 5 to 10. My crunching is just about over. Boy, that was tasty though. I thought I got a second win. Jimmy White, what's cooking there, Jimmy? Victoria Thompson. I like you guys. Good sense of humor. All right, seas 2 to 3 feet. 5-second swells. High tide is 9:50. Low tide is at 4:05. Sandy, good to know. Thank you for the update on the family. Good to hear that. It's good news. Pool forecast. All right. Beamer, you can't have any peanuts and chocolates. Not good for you. Water and chuckles. Yes. Bonus Sarah to you too, Betsy. Miss Clark. Jay Plums. What's cooking, girl? Chris eating, and there you go. Chris, what's on the plate tonight? And don't tell me M&M's. Holy moly, says Linda. Jennifer Bongiovanni. Jenny Bon Jovi. Jenny, I love you, baby. You know that. Come on. 82, 90. I don't know where that came from. 5 o'clock, 90 with a couple of showers and storms. She's going to report me. Service Next System. Can you, Jules? Now, the girl understands me. She just clearly gets me. Betsy Clark. Good evening. Darlene Pagan. Dar. Was just eating some M&Ms. Sorry, I would have shared with you, but I gotta share with the team, if you know what I mean. Yes. Peruvian. Wow, Chris, man, I'm coming over. 112 here tomorrow in Vegas. Matthew Ross, yes. Chef salad will work too. Yeah, I like that. It was delicious. Ooh. No, hang on a second. Oh, all right. Getting text here about the heat. Jules is on fire tonight. All right, so look, this front's overhead. Scattered showers, scattered storms, right overhead. Not really going anywhere. And then look, over the weekend, the more Julie Cows from Collins. Julie, JKC, what's going on, girl? Oh, Chris, I knew I liked you. Here we go. Saturday on Sunday. There's Saturday, Sunday, fronts overhead. And look, the rainfall coverage is going to be high. It's not going to be low. So if you're thinking about a garage sale this weekend, 89.90. Now, Diane, it's interesting you say that because I gotta try to navigate around that myself. Good, Jules. Good to hear that. Nah, Linda, you're not going to miss anything. We're here. We're live. You made it in. We got you, girl. All right, rainfall amounts. Sandy, nice and cool in northeast Wisconsin. You know, I miss my little intern there, Allison, up there. She's back home in Wisconsin. Miss Jacoby. Vicky, not the best of beach weekends this weekend for sure. Look at the rainfall amounts. Your own GFS, still quite high. So, but that's good though. I mean, it's still been kind of dry. In fact, hold on a second. Let me, before I get to the tropics, I do want to show you some. Look, I want to show you. I got a graphic rainfall departure. Here we go. She's close. She goes to University of Wisconsin, and she's like, I think 30 minutes north of the campus there. Although she's living in Madison for school, but home is, I think, 30 minutes north of University of Madison, Wisconsin. Crystal River Cowboys just checked in. Steve Bird. I forget how they. So heat and humidity. There's a really, really super long equation that I'm not going to show, but it's crazy. But it's the combination of the heat and humidity generating what it feels like on the exposed skin. Orlando's 12.41 inches behind. Melbourne is 11.12 inches behind. So yeah, this is good news. We still need rain, and the rain that's coming later this week is going to be beneficial. However, it does come with a price. And what do I mean by that? Crystal River Cowboy, this one's for you. The Coke Zero Sugar 400. The race is this weekend. Right? It's 400 miles, 160 laps, Daytona Speedway. I think there's going to be a problem there. So we're going to have to watch that. Linda, this is live. This is not, you're in live. This is live. You're not missing anything. You don't have to check back. All right, tropics, here we go. Good news there, Elizabeth. Let's see. All right, so we're on the 19th of August. The peak of there is the 10th. So we're like 21 days away now, basically, from the peak of hurricane season. 3 weeks, like 3 weeks from 7, 14, 21. Like, so that's going to be 20. It's 11. Like 3 weeks from tomorrow is the peak of hurricane season. I missed that race being in July. Yes, Tracy, exactly. All right, let's go to the tropics. Let's talk about Ernesto. Here's what I got for you. You can see that storm is just rocketing to the northeast with winds still at 90 miles an hour. Latest cone takes this up to the east-northeast towards Great Britain, Ireland. Not going to be a problem for us. But check this out. I wanted to show you this. Chris, where are you guys going now? I love it, man. You're always on the road. Yes, you do, Sandy. Excellent people, in fact. Elizabeth, it's quick, though. We were in a drought in South Carolina. Says, good, yes. But Debbie did fix that. All right, so look at these water temperatures now. Cooling down. So this is going to become more extra tropical. Toledo, look at that. You are a man on the mission. Love that. What's in Toledo, by the way? Let me do one thing here. Clear selection. I am going to redraw that little red dot because that is still, 43 feet. Holy mackerel. That is some rough surf. Shente Perez. Oh, Chris, sorry to hear that. Sorry for your loss. Shente Perez, hello. Victoria Harrison Magoot. Victoria J. Thompson. The whole gang is in the house. Now, I do want to show you. I got a couple of other cool graphics here that I do want to show you. This is kind of neat. See that right there? Oh, shoot. Okay, so right in here, that is in the wake of Ernesto, and that's a little bit of a cool pool behind the storm. A little bit of upwelling because of Ernesto. Kind of neat, huh? Liz Alvarez, good to have you there. Appreciate you popping in. So, but plenty of warm water there in the MDR for the upcoming hurricane season. But for now, there's not a whole lot in the central Atlantic. There's a couple waves here in the eastern Atlantic that we are continuing to watch, but nothing that for now looks like it wants to develop. Wow. Well, if I go up, Sandy, I'm going to stay with you. Linda Crook, Dina Androsoff. Go with that good old home cooking Wisconsin Sandy Brandt. Gonna have those cheese curds. Look at those water temperatures. That is warm, folks. Very, very warm. All right, here's the euro. Thank you, Sandy. Appreciate the warm welcome there to your humble abode. Linda Ballard. Curds are awesome. They are awesome. Yes, they are. See, I got you, girl. I mean, a couple waves there. Nothing really dramatically wanting to develop. Carla Say, hi back. Carla, how you doing, by the way? Who's that young man in the picture there with you? Is that your bride? If so, tell him I said hi. Your groom, the bride and groom. Vivian Taylor Walters from Miss Sebastian. Culver's cheese curds, says Julie. Look at, wait, Jules, are you from Wisconsin too? One has to like cheese. This is true, Chris. And who doesn't like cheese? French fry. Oh, yes. Okay, you are distracting me now with these cheese images in my head. Please stop. All right, there we go. Boom. Vapor, water vapor on the. Will you tell your hubby I said hi? And that he did well. I had curds from the. Look at that! Jenna Bongiovanni. The hurricane's the first week of October. Okay, all right, Jenna. I will do my best for you. Jenna Bon Jovi. Bon Giovanni. I got you. I'm just thinking of Bon Jovi every time I see your name. Jenna, you got to show me. You got to explain to me how you get that follow next to your name like that. I need to do that. Back to the weather. Sorry, Liz. Born upstate New York Central. Aha. Gotcha. Isabella. Isabel Faria. Izzy's in the house. Izzy's in the Facebook house. Izzy, how was your day, by the way? Happy Monday, by the way. You made it past Monday. The Bachelor's on for those of you that are bored. It's a cheesy kind of night for us. Tony went off, he says Elizabeth. There we go. Nothing developing. I am from the Catskills, says Terry. Linda, I'm going to let Miss Sandy Brandt, Miss Wisconsin herself, tell you all about that. That is correct, Liz. Oh, speaking of names, that's a great segue. Liz, I owe you for that one. 24 storm names. The next name storm is Francine. Francine, Gordon, Helene, Isaac, Joyce. Good, thank you, Izzy. Then, of course, you can't forget Tony down the road there. Tony Baloney. You guys are on fire tonight. Now, I like to keep track of invest, kind of break it down, kind of show you what we have. We've had 8 invests. We've had 3 tropical storms, 1 hurricane, 1 major. So 5 named storms so far. 5. So of the 8 invests, 5 have been named. Different way to look at it. All right, 7-day forecast. Here we go. Here's what I got for you. 93, 93, 90, 90, 89, 90, and 92. There you go. 50% chance for showers and storms on Tuesday and Wednesday. Going up there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There you go, Chris. There it is. Plenty of showers and storms the next couple of days. All right, switching gears. Do a little bit of national here. Go around the globe, too. Louis Diaz, I'm doing good, Mr. Claremont. How about yourself? How's the family? Everybody doing okay over there? Nancy Cruz, thanks for popping in as always. Trying to stay out of trouble tonight. Oh, Isabella, she's celebrating a birthday. Izzy, is that going to be 21? 21 for Izzy. She's turning 21. Bente uno. Or Bente uno. Hi to the north. Hi to the south. Not too bad. A little wet in the northeast. A little cool in the northeast here, too. Check this out. Awesome. Tell the fam I said hi, Luce. Is it? Yeah, you and me both. Isabel. Look at that. 61 Buffalo, 69 Bangor. 21. See, Elizabeth Haunt. Beverly Sorrells. Good night, Nancy. So chilly in the northeast. Cool in the northwest. 102 in Fuego in Dallas, 100 in El Paso, and 108 for the man from Vegas who's with us tonight out there. All right, let's go north of the border here. I'm over this. Jenna, you and me both, girl. I hear you. Jenna, where are you from originally? Clearly not Florida like myself. Betsy Clark, although I do like the winters and the fall and the spring. I enjoy chili. Chris Spears. Spare the heat, Mr. Greg. I know. I love it. There we go. Pittsburgh, all right. Steel Town. There we go. Steelers fan, there she is. Jenna Bon Jovi. Oh, got some cooler air now filtering up across the northern pole there. 10 miles apart between Russia and Alaska right there. You can see it's 37 in Point Barrow. I got you, Jenny on the block. Peterson's on. Robert, what's the score now? Hopefully this kid's coming into his own for a change. Finally. It's 37 Fort Ross. So lots of 30s now up in the northern reaches of Alaska and Canada. 64 Baker Lake. I think they were up, Julie, last I heard. Billy Early Lamonaco, go Steelers, says Karen Lynch. Karen Lynch is in the house. Karen, how was your day, by the way? What'd you get into? You behaving? 3-0 Mets in the 5th. Top 5th, bottom 5th, who's up? Let's continue the tour. 72 Fort McMurray, 72 Thompson, 55 Moosonee, 57 in Ottawa. Bengals fan, says Linda Crook. Vegas 108. Orlando 89. Houston 96. Guatemala City 72. Belize 86. Top 5. Thank you, Robert. Panama City 82. How the Braves doing? We got to get that last wild card spot. I need to get my kayak. Wait, you sound like Loverboy, Karen Lynch. Everybody's working for the weekend. Beamer is finally asleep. There he goes. All right, good night, Beamer. Sweet kitty cat dreams. Guatemala 72. San Jose 72. Panama City 82. Manaus 84. La Paz, Bolivia 46. Santiago 48. Punta Arenas 39. Cape Town 46. Bangui 75. Rabat, Morocco 73. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia coming in 93. Go Packers, says Sandy. Have a great evening to you as well, Betty Davis Eyes. London 64, but a little cooler air to the north and west will be settling on in. Oslo 55, Berlin 54, Moscow 68. Surgut, look at the 40s now across Russia. 59 in Bratsk, 57 in Yakutsk, 61 in Ulaanbaatar, Sapporo 68. Christine Marsh. There you go, Sandy, that's right. Sapporo 68, Shanghai 90, Hong Kong 82, Manila 84, Ho Chi Minh City 84, Jakarta 79, Makassar 82, Darwin 82, Alice Springs coming in at 72, and down under 48 in Hobart, 50 in Christchurch, and then over towards Lihue, Honolulu, Kahului, and Hilo. We are in the 80s. Do we have any more? To the United States. I don't know if it's going to make it to the United States, but let's take a look. Let us take a look. There we go. With that front nearby, it may be tough. South Florida, yes. A couple more wedges there out to the east, but let's go to the forecast product. There we go. Maybe a little bit of dust this Friday, but the front's nearby, so it kind of washes it out. And then there's another big push sometime next week. Buena notte, Anthony. Thank you, Betsy. Joe Burrow is the best. Oh, that would be excellent, Robert. All right, I am going to end it on the 7-day here as we have gone well over 20 minutes tonight. But I just enjoyed chatting so much with you guys. Here we go. Let's close this up here real quick with the 7-day. And then hopefully you'll see me tonight at 10 on the CW18 and again at 11 on West 2 News. 93, 93, right around 90. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then back up to the lower 90s there on Monday. You guys are a great team, great group. Always love chatting with you. I'll be right back here tomorrow night on Facebook if you can't make it in tonight at 10 on the CW18 and or 11 after the convention over on Wesh. All right, guys, take care. You guys are awesome. Have a great night. If you haven't followed the page, please go ahead and do so. Until tomorrow, ta-ta.